Hello, it's Ryan and welcome to video number 3. In video number 2, I helped you do the math to help you figure out how you're gonna get to your target. And I also explain how in the affiliate marketing world, you basically have two universes. You have the cost per sale universe, CPS, where you're getting paid a fraction of the sale, and there is the CPA world, cost per action, where you're getting paid for an action and the commission you receive is disconnected from the price point charge to the customer. In this video, I'm gonna explain to you where you can find cost per sale and cost per action offers. So, especially if you're just getting started. If you are a newbie affiliate marketer, the best place to find cost per sale offer is our good friend at ClickBank, clickbank.com. ClickBank is where I got my first affiliate marketing sale. And the reality is ClickBank offers convert very well. And even if in day 2, I explained that you should focus on more CPA, I also believe at the same time that ClickBank is worth trying because you can get fast results with it. The one thing you can do is you go on ClickBank, sign up for an account, it's free, and start checking the topics and the niche and just focus on one niche. It could be health, it could be self-help, it could be business. And when you have identified the niche, try to find 2 or 3 products that you would be motivated, excited to promote, even if it's for just a short period of time. Because I believe if you can get your first ClickBank commission fast, this will create a belief inside you that you can make that things work, and then you can get to the next level. But for those of you who want to follow my advice on day 2 by going straight to CPA offers, then the place to go is offervault.com. So clickbank.com for cost per sale offers and offervault.com for CPA offers. And again, same strategy that on ClickBank. Choose a niche or topic and find 2 or 3 offers that you feel compelled and motivated to promote, that get you excited, that you feel you have some alignment with. And in the next video, I am going to show you how you can starting promoting those affiliate offers. So today is a shorter video because it's very straightforward. You have to do the job now to set up an account on ClickBank or going on Offervault, depending on how you want to go about it. And in the next video, I will show you how you can start promoting affiliate offers. It's getting very exciting now. See you soon. See you on the next video. Take care.